Have you ever wondered why the same business that is making some persons multi-millionaires, some are barely surviving with? You see, any business that is built on the fundamental needs of humans, which are shelter, food, and clothing, should literally be printing you money. Yes, and this is good news to everyone in or interested in the fashion business. I want to be showing you step by step. I have been able to move myself and about 90,000 others from being ordinary tailors to fashion designers with international fashion brands. With my ready to wear business model, even if you're not a designer or you don't even have the basic knowledge of fashion, but you're only interested in the business sense of it, then you're good to go. In this online stroke life training section, you shall be learning secrets to running a successful and sustainable RTW brand, garment production best practices, tailors management, creating your brand size charts, dashboard reporting, and a whole lot of others. If this is something you're interested in, do send a direct message to know what it takes to register. Kindly note that this is not a free training section. Yes, catch you, love you, bye bye.